Se está grabando la reunión.
Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. Today I am going to tell about an accidental happened to me 2 years ago in Rioja. I was visiting my cousin during my vacation, and one afternoon my cousin and I decided to go for a ride on his motorcycle. While we were driving through a small street, it suddenly started to rain. My cousin was driving careful, but the road was very slippery. At the same time, a dog ran across the street, and my cousin tried to slow down quickly. Unfortunately, the motorcycle slipped and we fell on the road. I hurt my arm and my cousin injured his leg. Some people came over and helped us stand up. After that, my uncle took us to a small clinic nearby. Fortunately, the accident was too very serious, but I was feeling nervous and scared for the rest of the day. This experience taught me to be more careful when traveling by motorcycle, especially during dry weather. Thank you for listening.